This has been the flashpoint of Saturday's protests, where protesters have been trying to stop government forces opening up the Ahrar Bridge. This is the bridge that leads to Tahrir Square. And we've been meeting people and talking to people who feel that they've been betrayed by the Sadrists who left these camps. They are saying they're going to continue their protests. There have been multiple reports of injuries, and some are saying that people have been wounded by not just live fire, but also by tear gas canisters that the government forces are aiming towards their heads.
We are protesting against the corrupt government, the Iranian government, so to speak. They doesn't represent us at all. We didn't vote for them. The militias, they are corrupt, they are Iranian-backed militias. We call on the United Nations to intervene and help us from them. So you see, they are assassinating us, kidnapping us, and killing us. Lots of our activists, political activists, are disappearing every day. So we want the help of the world. Please help us, world.
As protesters have been brought from various parts of Tahrir Square, crowds like this are chanting and moving towards the direction of where the clashes are taking place. Many of them have been coming from not just Baghdad, from other places around Iraq. Since Friday night, security forces have been opening up roads and bridges. This is one of the camps which was allegedly burned by the security forces as they came in towards Tahrir Square. Those are the allegations by the protesters here, who say that they will continue their protest. They're going to stay here until their demands are met.